BAMA tuners get plugged into your OBD2 port, which is about right here. So, and unfortunately I'm right-handed, and this wants to go in left-handed. So, as you can see, it's plugged in. The tuner is active. Sorry for the annoying door ding. I wish I could take it off, but I can't. Alright, so at the main screen, you have 3 options. And we're going to program the vehicle. Select. We're going to load a custom tune. Select. Turn key on, do not start engine. Press select to continue. The tuner is linking up with the onboard diagnostics of the car. Turn key off. Hit select. Now we're going to choose our tune. I have 3 tunes: Octane Street, 89 Octane Performance, 93 Octane Race 373. Hit select. Pretty much tells you everything you got to do. Hit select again. Begin program. Hit select. Setting up the device. Wore the worst pants today for this. And I apologize for the shaky video, but turn key on. Do not start engine. Never start your engine when tuning it. So right now it's going through the program mode. Turn key off, press select. Turn key on, do not start engine, unlocking ECM. As you can imagine, I'm a righty, so my left's not the best in the world. We're downloading the tune, so we'll switch hands, see if this comes out a little better. Not really, just too much caffeine this morning. Now, the tuner takes anywhere from... The first time I ever did it, it took about 15 total minutes. That was downloading the stock tune, unlocking the ECM, and then uploading the original 89 performance tune for my 331 gears. The 373 conversion seems to be going a little faster. Well, because I didn't tune the car, so my speedometer was off a bit. But I only went 24 hours with it off, so any mileage change, I think I put 36 miles on the whole car that day because I went to work and then came back after the job was done. So we're almost done. We're at 94%. And it's probably going to instruct me to turn the car off again. See, it does funky stuff with things. So everything goes down, resets. Let me wait. Download complete, turn key off. Select continue. And it's back to the main screen. Unplug your OBD2 connector. This thing's always a pain in the fucking ass. Throw tuner on passenger seat, which is what I usually do. Car's in neutral. Let's focus and then start. You hear the cold air intake. Alright, so now she's 93 tuned.